Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check the replies or comments that you've sent to Instagram stories. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and type Instagram in the search bar. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Once that's done, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile. From here, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen, then tap on your activity. Now tap on sticker responses, which are your story replies. Here, you'll be able to see all the replies or comments you've sent to other people's stories. You can also change the date, select a specific creator, or delete replies if you want. To delete any replies, just tap on select and remove whichever ones you like. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.